Hi, Therese. This is Charles with from Alignable. You had sent me a message earlier. I was taking a look at your website and just going through it. And I have three tips which I'd like to give you to so you can optimize it better for Google. Now, let me go back to your homepage. The three things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Content has everything to do with what's on your page, all the pictures, all the text. What the pictures are saved as well. Everything that's text. Now with Google, it's important. Google likes it when you optimize when your page is optimized with about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative, keyword-rich text. So I can see first thing I noticed is that I believe you need a lot more content. You should have a lot more content on your front page. Also, it's important to saturate that content with what are known as keywords. Now, keywords are anything someone would be typing into Google to find you. So, for example, if I wanted a health coach I'm not sure where you're located also, because it's not on your site, but let's say I live in Philadelphia. That would be a keyword that people use to search for health coaches in Philadelphia. Probably this is known as buy intent keyword because most probably whoever's searching for this wants a service immediately, and they're going to click on one of these sites over here. Google statistics say about 70% of people do not leave the first page, so it's important for you to get more traffic to be on this front page. Now, I just want to mention one last thing about keywords. This is a location-specific keyword because I'm looking for a health coach in Philadelphia. If it was just health coach alone, this would be a national keyword, which are much harder to beat and to rank for. Location-based keywords are the easiest ones to actually rank for. So, back to your site. So I would definitely add more text on each page, especially the front page, and make sure it's saturated with keywords, the words people will be looking for. So I am a certified holistic health coach in Pennsylvania, I would say, or registered nurse in Philadelphia, if that's what you if that's where you are. But that's just an example. Second thing I want to talk about is citations. Citations have more to do with this area here, this map back here. The map pack has 3 companies listed and the map of whichever location you're searching for. Now, how do you get to be on the front here? Has all to do with citations. Citations are anywhere on the internet across the web that your name, address, and phone number are cited in different directories. By directories, I mean things like Dexnos, Yext, Yelp, LinkedIn, whitepages.com, yellowpages.com, Better Business Bureau, etc. The more authoritative and the higher in number your citation appears in different directories, the higher you appear in this map back here. And then the last thing I want to talk about is the backlinks. Backlinks have more to do with this next section down here. Now, what is a backlink? If you think of the internet as a whole connection of linked web pages, a backlink would be where one website directs traffic to your website. So, for example, if a health coaching forum in New York directs traffic, writes a blog and mentions you, then has a link to your site, that would be a good backlink. And I say good because not all backlinks are created equal. I gave the example of a health forum in New York. Now, imagine if it was the ice cream truck company in Maryland sending a lot of backlinks to your website. Google would catch on and see that is that's not authoritative and would count it against you as spammy backlinks. I have a tool called Ahrefs, which I can use to explore backlinks and keywords and do site analysis. It's a popular tool. Now I put your site in and I can see that it hasn't been up for long. That's what I'm guessing, which is fine because there are almost no statistics on it. Just to give you an example of what I was trying to show you, I'm going to take this fitness coach in okay, holistic health coach. Okay, here we go. They're on the front page. So if I drop them into the tool called Ahrefs, I can see their ranking on the front page. They have 56 backlinks from 20 domains. If I click on the keywords, health coach Philadelphia, they're ranking 5th. And they're getting one person per month. Well, you can see here 10 people per month search for that keyword, and they're getting one. I want to take a different kind of holistic wellness coach near me. It's a big one. I guess 50 people search for that. Now, this is national, so it's hard to tell what the local traffic for it would be. Hence, it's important to, if you're looking for local traffic and you want to outrank your competitors locally, it's important to have organic keywords that have your location as well. For example, Health Coach Philadelphia. So how do you beat your competitor? If these guys were your competitor, you'd just be able to analyze their backlinks and whichever domains they come from, and simply make sure you have the same authoritative backlinks. Not only that, double or triple your competition. If you do not have a lot of competition in your area, that might be easier to do. And therefore, you'll start to appear on the front page of, you'll start to climb in Google search results, and eventually you'll be on the front page. Simply because you've analyzed your competition, done what they're doing, and then multiplied it by 2 or 3. Thank you very much, Therese. I appreciate your time. Those are the 3 things I want to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. You can pass this on to your website person or your SEO person, help them implement this immediately. I do know that business owners do not have a lot of time to do it themselves. But if you do have a website person, please make sure you pass along these tips. Thank you very much, Therese. If you think you like what I see and you want to save time, again, I'm with Wally Digital. You can just send me a message and I'd be happy to discuss further. Oh, one last thing I have to say. Your website is not secure. And that has something to do with where you built it. So if you can go onto the site, the platform you built it on, and make sure that you enable site security. Thank you. This ran a little bit more than I wanted it to, but thank you for watching all the way till the end, and have a great day.